Listen here. Now, I've had just about enough of your shenanigans. It's time to come clean. Any more of this stalling, and I promise you, I'll throw the book at you. Now, I want the facts, and only the facts. Do you understand me? You are now rocking with the Cool Cats and me, the D.E.V. Anybody else ever feel like they can never get everything done? Yesterday, I was running around out here with a list of things I had to do. And wouldn't you know it, today I got a whole new list. Does it ever all get done? Man. Anyway, y'all know how we do. Y'all can roll with me and we can discuss some cat facts. A cat can't climb down a tree head first. They have to back down. Why? Because their claws are curved downward. Batman, have you ever climbed down a tree head first? I guess a better question would be, have you ever seen a tree? Batman, do you know what a tree is? I think I'm talking to the wrong cat. Did you know that in the United States, cats are actually more popular than dogs? There are 88 million pet cats in the US versus 75 million pet dogs. Now that's an interesting one. As you know, I love dogs and cats. But based on the numbers, who is really man's best friend? Things that make you say, When a dog wags its tail, it is expressing happiness. But when a cat wags its tail, no. When a cat wags its tail, it is their way of telling you that you are getting on their nerves. Batman, let me ask you a question. I don't get on your nerves, right? I mean, I couldn't possibly get on your nerves since I'm the one that feeds you, gives you water, make sure that your hair and your nails get done, to say the least, right? Let me see your tail. Oh, what you trying to say? So, Robbie, what about you? Same question. Never mind. Everybody gets on Robin nerves. That's baby Gramps. Did you know that a group of kittens is called a Kindle? And a group of cats is called a crowder? Maybe so, but my group is called the Knuckleheads. If you're down with the vibe, like and subscribe. Did you know that spayed female cats live an average of 39% longer than unspayed cats? And that neutered male cats live an average of 62% longer than non-neutered cats? Hey, you think you should spay or neuter your cat? Alright guys, what other facts can I share with the people? Y'all want any input here? Oh, I see. Y'all want to keep them a secret. Well, I'ma tell it. Did you know that your cat can recognize your specific voice? So yes, they are just ignoring you. Hey Robin. Robin. Hey Robin. See what I mean? Here's a crazy fact. Cats have the largest eyes relative to their head size of all mammals. Did you know the kittens from the same litter can have more than one father? This is because the female cat releases multiple eggs over a few days when she is in heat. That's why I'm glad I don't have any girls. This young generation is way too frisky for me. We've got to do better. Dogs have up to 10 different vocalizations, but a cat has 100. Bruh, man, I heard you had 100 different vocal sounds that you can make. That's exciting, man. Let's hear a few. I bet you didn't know that cats walk like camels and giraffes. They move both of their right feet first. Then they move both of their left feet. No other animals walk this way. Wow, that's amazing. But Batman's a little bit different though. You see, we call him Young Breezy, and he be straight pimping. Now folks, remember to treat your animals well. They didn't ask to be there with you, but now all they have is you. Treat them like family. Peace and hair grease.